Hello, how are you? So I thought to make this video because I noticed that some of you still don't understand what to do when I send you work back that you need to check and correct. So I am on my student account. You can see it here. Okay, let me take my highlighter. It's here. And it's similar to your account. When you open your account, this is what will appear to you: journal, activities, and inbox. Okay, so journal is the first page where you can see everyone's approved work. So that means as a teacher, I saw it and I liked it and it's correct, so I approved it. So you can see all of the approved work here. Activities shows you the new activities that you need to work. If you have number here, that's not good. That means you did not complete it. And inbox, it shows you all the messages that I'm sending. For example, the schedule and my good morning message every day. So I send a good morning message, I send the schedule, and I send the Zoom link, which doesn't change, but just to make sure. And notification, it shows you all the notification, who liked my comment, who mentioned me, who talked to me, if my teacher did something. Okay, so you need to keep an eye on messages also and on notification, but messages is the most important thing. Good. Now activities. Let's say that I want to complete this activity here, my math activity. So the first thing I need to do is read the instructions. So click on the add response button, use the pen or pencil to circle the answers, and then use the pencil and T to type your answers. Click the check. Now, if my handwriting is not good and I don't have a specific pencil, some of you have a pencil that you can write on a tablet or on a computer, but some of you are using mouse or they're just using the pad from the laptop. These are not good for writing. It will make your handwriting very bad. So what you need to do is use the T. So what do I do here? Hang on. So I know the instructions. I listen to the instruction. And then I'm going to click on the add button. Again, if I forgot the instructions, I come here, read it again, and do it. Choose the pencil, choose a color that I like. Let's take purple. And I'm going to read tens place, ones place, hundreds place. Now I need to type here. So if I'm going to write it like this, it's not good. So I'm going to take the T, bring it all the way here, change the color, make it smaller. And what I can do immediately, I can duplicate it by clicking on these three dots. Duplicate, duplicate. So I have the same size and the same color, and I don't need to redo it again. Okay, you got the idea. I'm not going to continue the rest. Now, what I need to do is read the instructions and write the answer. So I need a number with 0 in the hundreds place. So I know that I'm going to do 1,000. And the next one, 2 in the tens place. So I'm going to do like this. I know this is wrong because that's not 2 in the tens place. That's 2 in the hundreds place. But I'll just leave it like this for now. 7 in the ones place. Like this. Okay, imagine that I finished all of them, and me as a student, I don't know that I made a mistake. I know that I completed my task. I'm going to click tick, and it will show me waiting for your teacher. Waiting for teacher's approval. Now, as a teacher, let me open it so you can see how it looks like. As a teacher, it shows me here that I have waiting for approval task, and I can approve it or send it back or delete it. If I delete it, it will start all over again for my student. So it will show to my student that it's empty, and then they need to redo it again. I try my best not to do that because I don't want you to do the work double. So what I will do, I will write you a comment, tell you your mistake, and then I will send it back. So let me say that, for example, I had a look at it and I noticed that 5 and 6 are wrong. So I'm going to come here, comment, please check, please check number 5 and 6. Or I can record a voice note. Please check number 5 and 6. So either I'm going to write it or I'm going to leave you a voice message. And then I'm going to send it back. When I send it back, don't send it back to me without changes, okay? I'll send back. I'm going to open the student's account and let's see how it looks like. Okay, so let's say that I didn't see it immediately. I saw it the next day, okay? How do I find out if I have work that I need to check? You can find out in different ways, on the activities or in inbox. So if you come to activities, you can see that my work is a draft. That means there's something not quite right about it. I'll show you how you can do it also from here. But another way, you can come to inbox, and in notification, it will show you exactly what the teacher commented. So it will say, Miss Mina commented on your post. Please check number 5 and 6. So you can click here. Does it work? I don't know why it's not opening. It should work. Okay. So anyways, here it shows you the what happened to your activity, and you can come here. Okay, it took a while to load. I think it's the internet. You can come here and sometimes it will show you directly my comment. But if it doesn't show and you have finished response, how to see my comment is you can click on it. So one more time, where did I click? I clicked on the gray area here. Open my draft and see it here. See? Okay. So what I'm going to do is edit. And I'm going to change it. So 3 to 6. And then in the ones place, 207. I'll continue this one also in the ones place, 9 and 2 in the hundreds. Let's duplicate it for a minute. And then the last one, 2 is in the ones place. Okay, so I checked my work. I think it's right. I can click tick, and that's it. Then it's still waiting for my teacher's approval, so your teacher is going to approve it. So the teacher checked. Teacher will comment, well done, and approve. So what will happen is you can actually see it. See? You'll see my comments and you'll see well done, and now you see it in the journal with everyone else's work. Okay? Now, let's say that you started a project or an activity, but you don't want to finish it now. So click to add response. And I'm going to use the T also, bring it all the way here. So it's between 161 and 182. So 176. You right? Okay. And then in the middle of me working, my mom called me to help her out with something. I don't click tick because that means it will be sent to my teacher. I click on draft. So draft, it shows it's visible to you and your teacher. So me as a teacher, I can see that you're still working on it, but you did not finish it yet. You did not send it to me. And for you as a student, if you come back to your account later, you can see it here and you can click finish response and finish it completely, click the tick and send it to me. Okay, so remember, when I send you a comment, I would really like it for you to read my comment or listen to it. For example, please complete. Look here. Come back. I'll refresh so you can see. Look, so it shows my comment, please complete. Now, let's say I didn't want to complete it and I send it again. I don't care, I'm going to send it again. The teacher, eventually, what will happen is I'm going to delete the work. So this is me, my account as a teacher, see? I'm going to delete the work and check out what happens. Delete work cannot be recovered. Oops. So if I come to activities, it started all over again, as if I didn't do anything. So I would like you to be extra careful, especially when I'm sending you work back. All I want you to do are small changes or listen to my instructions. I always tell you exactly what you need to do. Okay? I can't wait to see the rest of your work. Bye.